Gunny here. My friends and I at Tru-Spec want to tell you about a great Tru-Spec product. Pay attention.
The Tru-Spec security-friendly belt is a fully adjustable tactical belt made of heavy-duty 1 3/4 inch thick webbing. The non-metallic buckle allows for quick and easy clearance at security checkpoints, and the built-in hidden pocket can hold cash, a concealed plastic handcuff key, and more. The elastic belt keeper can securely hold excess webbing, or, for a custom fit, the end of the belt can be cut to the desired length and the new edge burned to prevent fraying. The Tru-Spec security-friendly belt is GSA compliant and is available in black, olive drab, and tan.